Welcome to TeachOVE, the ultimate management solution for modern schools. Our dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of your institution, while the intuitive side drawer menu provides quick navigation to every essential module, keeping everything you need just one tap away. In the teacher module, managing your faculty is seamless. You can view the complete staff list. When adding a teacher, simply enter their name, email, phone number, and password. Pro tip: before assigning a teacher to a class, make sure you first set up your class and subject details in the classroom module for a perfect sync. The student module follows the same user-friendly logic. Admins can easily register students for any grade by entering their name, email, contact details, and class assignment. With full edit and delete capabilities, maintaining an accurate student database has never been more efficient. N. T. Next is the classroom module. Here, you define your school structure. You can add new classes by entering the class name, section, and annual fees. You also assign the class teacher here and can even detail specific subjects along with their respective subject teachers to ensure your academic roadmap is fully organized. ISD. Scheduling is key to school success. In the exam timetable section, you can create and manage schedules by defining the exam name, target class, and start and end dates. For each exam, you can add the specific subjects being conducted, keeping students and staff perfectly PR. Paired. Stay connected with the announcement module. Whether it's an urgent update or a general notice, you can select your specific audience, add a title and message, and even include attachments. It's the fastest way to ensure your school community stays informed. Managing staff attendance is now effortless. Use the horizontal calendar to select a date, mark teachers as present or absent, and hit Save. In the Reports tab, you can view a visual summary or download detailed Excel reports for any date range. You choose. The Student Fees module is a comprehensive financial hub. Track everything from tuition and admission fees to uniform and book charges. You can edit, delete, or view individual records and generate real-time reports. Admins can also download class-wise fee reports to keep the school's finances transparent. Ah, ND organized. Scaling your school is simple under the subscription tab. Choose your plan, enter the required student count, and complete your purchase. If your school grows, you can easily add more seats. You can also track your purchase history and access info. ICES instantly. Create a vibrant school culture with the events module. Add titles, descriptions, and attachments for upcoming activities. Once published, these events are instantly visible to both students and teachers, ensuring high engagement for every. School function. Manage leave requests instantly. Review teacher applications, check details, and grant approvals with one click. The school profile section allows you to manage your institution's public identity. View or edit your school's core contact information and settings in seconds to keep your data up to date. Empower your students with high-quality resources. Through the Vedant Education tab, your school gains direct access to a curated library of educational books, making digital learning resources available at your fingertips. Save hours of prep time with our question paper tool. Schools can download professionally formatted exam papers customized with your own school name and logo, giving your assessments a polished, official look. That concludes our tour of the TeachOVE School Admin Panel, designed by developers who understand education. Streamline your school, empower your teachers, and focus on the future. Thank you for choosing TeachOVE.